Hello, my name is Michael Curcio, and I'm the Executive Director for PISCES, which stands for the Permaculture Institute for the Study of Communal Economic Systems. PISCES is a 10-acre teaching farm that is currently located in northern Togo in West Africa, and our goal is to implement and demonstrate sustainable agricultural practices in order to improve the environment and food security in the region, and we began at the beginning of this year. Now you may be asking, where exactly is PISCES? And the short answer is that it's pretty far away. The little country in red there is Togo in West Africa, and PISCES is located in the northern region, the Savannas region. As PISCES is located in the Savanna region of sub-Saharan Africa, we hope to collaborate with the Savanna Institute in our goal to rehabilitate the land with agroforestry as well as perennial agriculture. So far, we've been able to plant over 5,000 trees in our first year, most of which are fast-growing nitrogen-fixing trees, such as Siamese cassia, Albizia lebec, and Lucena lucicephala. Once the trees reach a height of about 4 to 5 feet, they will be maintained with pollarding to prevent overshadowing of our crops, and over time we plan to transition to indigenous acacia species. You can see from the photo below why PISCES is needed. This is a typical field in the dry season in northern Togo. You can see that there's been a tremendous amount of deforestation, erosion, and desertification. On our site, we used a broad fork to prepare our beds. This allows for increased water retention and allows for our crops' roots to penetrate deeper into the soil, which helps them become more drought resistant and allows them to have access to more resources and nutrients. Here's another photo of our site at the beginning of rainy season in June. After 3 months, we began to see good development of our peanut fields. And after 5 months, we've been able to have a pretty profound impact on the land. This is a field of Siamese cassia trees as well as pigeon peas. Pigeon peas are a perennial legume that usually grow for about 2 to 3 seasons. Over the course of that time, we'll be adding compost, and with these plants, we'll be able to sequester a large amount of organic carbon and nitrogen. We are very lucky to have some fantastic Togolese counterparts. Kareem currently manages all of our day-to-day operations at the site and is also very busy posting photos to social media in order to boost PISCES' online presence. Over the summer, we also hosted several interns who are high school students in order for them to learn more about sustainable agriculture and to help out at the sites. Just another picture of our agroforestry in action. You can see here 2 baby corns next to a Siamese cassia tree back in July. And that's the corn about 2 to 3 months later. So we've had pretty good development and some pretty healthy corn in our first year. We're especially proud of the progress that we've made in our first year, given that the land that we are working on was previously abandoned because it was deemed not fertile enough to grow food. And this just really demonstrates the profound impact that these techniques can have on the land without the use of any sort of chemical fertilizers or additives. We've also hosted local agricultural extension officers to visit the site so that they can see the progress that we're making and learn more about PISCES. As we're still in our first year, we're also heavily focused on adding compost and manure to the fields in order to increase the amount of nutrients as well as organic carbon in the soil. And you can see this is our compost pile at the end of the rainy season, so hopefully by next year we'll have a lot of compost to amend our fields with. As the rainy season is over, we're also working to cover our fields with straw in order to prevent wind and water erosion. You can also see in the background some of the lovely cliffs that surround our sites to the south. In the future, PISCES plans to establish further teaching farms in neighboring regions and countries in order to expand the impact that we're having and to engage more farmers. We would also like to establish or join a network of demonstration farmers in sub-Saharan Africa as well as America, with the future goal of sponsoring teaching exchanges between American and Togolese farms, because we believe that we have a lot to learn from each other. If you'd like more information, please visit us at togopisces.com, and we are also on Facebook and Instagram with the handle @togopisces1. You can also contact me at my email and phone number there below. And thank you so much for your time.